Hi, I'm Dennis at TeraFlex, and today we're going to do another box opening. This time we're going to open the box for a Ford Bronco sway bar skid plate kit. Now I know what you're saying. I don't think my Bronco has any kind of a sway bar skid plate on it. And you know what? You're exactly right. The only guys that were lucky enough to get any kind of a skid plate are like these bad boy Badlands guys back here that have the hydraulic sway bar in them. But the good news is that this skid plate will cover the sway bar on one of those, or it'll cover the transmission and the pneumatic sway bar if you're wise enough to put one on. Let's see what we got here. We got some hardware, pretty easy install. What do we got there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts. Voila. Okay, this is a direct, holy cow, a direct bolt up. This thing's heavy. 3/16 steel. There's the brackets for the front. It covers the transmission as well as the area where your pneumatic sway bar would be if you were wise enough to put a TeraFlex pneumatic sway bar on there. But if you happen to have the hydraulic one that comes on the Badlands, it'll work on that too. The only one that doesn't get to have this is the Raptors. They're a whole different animal anyway. So it's a direct bolt up. It's going to protect some undercarriage parts that are getting no love at all. It works with everybody's except the Raptor. You're going to look into one of these. I'm Dennis at TeraFlex. I'm out.